You know this moment. Someone asks you a simple question. Very simple. What do you want to eat? And you know the answer. You want pizza. Easy. Beautiful. A small circle of happiness. But in English, your brain does something strange. First, it runs to your language. Then it starts building a sentence. Then it tries to translate every word. Then it checks the grammar. Then it asks, is this correct? Should I say want or would like? Is pizza countable? Why is English like this? And now the person is still waiting. You are still thinking. The pizza is getting cold. Your soul is leaving your body. And finally you say, food. This is the problem. You are not bad at English. You are just translating too much. Your brain is doing extra work. Too much work. It is like going to the shop, but first you walk around the whole city, climb a mountain, fight a bear, and then buy bread. No, my friend, just buy bread. When you translate in your head, English becomes slow. First, your language, then English, then grammar, then fear, then silence. Too many steps. A real conversation does not wait for all that. People talk, they answer, they move, they change topic, and your brain is still in the kitchen cooking one perfect sentence. So, what should you do? You need to stop translating sentences and start translating meaning. This is very important. Do not translate the sentence, translate the meaning. For example, maybe in your language you want to say something big, something like, today I was not in the best emotional condition. Nice sentence, very dramatic. Maybe music should play behind it. But in A2 English you can say, today was hard. I felt bad. I was tired. That is enough. The meaning is there. The person understands you, and the conversation continues. That is the goal. Not perfect English, moving English. Your brain wants big sentences because your first language is strong. It has many words, it has style, it has drama, it can complain about life for 20 minutes without breathing. But your English is still growing, so give it smaller jobs. Do not ask your English to carry a piano. Give it a cup, a small cup. Instead of saying, I experienced a very stressful situation at work, say, work was stressful. I had a problem. I need rest. Simple, clear, human. Instead of saying, I was disappointed because my plan did not work, say, my plan failed. I felt bad. I will try again. This is not weak English. This is useful English, and useful English wins. Now let's train your brain. Every day, take one normal moment and say it in simple English. When you make coffee, say, I'm making coffee. When you open your laptop, say, I'm starting work. When you feel tired, say, I'm tired. I need a break. When you look at your phone too much, say, I need to stop scrolling. Yes, that one hurts, but it is true. This small habit teaches your brain that English is not only for lessons, English is for life. Your room, your coffee, your work, your bad mood, your lazy evening, your strange thoughts at midnight, all of it. And here is another trick. Use ready phrases. Not single words, phrases. Because phrases are faster. Your brain can grab them quickly. Like tools. Use these. I think. I feel. I need. I want. I don't know. Let me think. Can you say that again? These phrases save you. They give you time. They keep you alive in conversation. Small heroes. Tiny English soldiers. Now practice with this pattern. Today, I felt. I needed. Tomorrow, I will. For example, today I worked. I felt tired. I needed coffee. Tomorrow I will rest. That is real English. Not fancy, but real. And real is better than frozen. The goal is not to remove translation in one day. That will not happen. Your brain will still translate sometimes. That is normal. Do not fight it like an angry goose. Just make English easier, shorter, closer, more automatic. Every time you use a simple English sentence, you build a small road. At first, the road is slow. You walk, you stop, you look around, you panic a little, normal. But if you use the road every day, it gets faster. One day, someone asks, "What do you want to eat?" And you do not open a grammar factory in your head. You just say, "I want pizza." Beautiful, clear, done. The pizza is safe. So today, try this. Take one sentence from your real life. Make it simple. Say it 3 times, then write it in the comments. For example, "Today I felt tired," or "I need more practice," or "I want to stop translating." That comment is not just a comment. It is your English leaving your head, and that is how speaking starts. Remember this, you do not need perfect English to stop translating. You need simple English that you use often. Small words, short sentences, real life, every day. Do not wait for perfect English. Use the English you have. And little by little, your brain will stop asking for permission in your first language. It will just speak. Keep going.